Welcome to this tutorial on setting up your Axie Infinity Ronin wallet. The Ronin wallet is a digital wallet that allows you to store and manage your Axies, as well as other digital assets. To get started, you will need to download and install the Ronin wallet on your computer or mobile device. First, go to the official Axie Infinity website and click on the Ronin wallet link. From there, you will be directed to the Ronin wallet download page. Click on the download button and follow the installation instructions. Once the installation is complete, launch the Ronin wallet application. Next, you will need to create a new wallet. Click on the Create Wallet button and follow the prompts to set up your wallet. You will be asked to create a username and password, as well as a recovery phrase. The recovery phrase is a series of words that will allow you to recover your wallet in case you forget your password or lose access to your account. Make sure to write down your recovery phrase and store it in a safe place. After creating your wallet, you will need to set up your account. This includes adding a username and email address. You will also need to verify your email address by clicking on the verification link sent to you by the Ronin wallet team. Now that your wallet is set up, you can start using it to manage your Axies. You can deposit and withdraw assets, as well as send and receive assets to and from other wallets. To deposit assets, click on the deposit button and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. To withdraw assets, click on the withdraw button and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. It is also important to keep your wallet secure. Make sure to use a strong password and keep your recovery phrase safe. You should also enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. In conclusion, setting up your Axie Infinity Ronin wallet is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can create a new wallet, set up your account, and start using it to manage your Axies. Remember to keep your wallet secure by using a strong password and storing your recovery phrase in a safe place. With your Ronin wallet, you can easily manage your digital assets and participate in the Axie Infinity ecosystem.